Alright guys, so here's the patch job. It is not watertight, but I am planning on getting some aqua seal and putting a line on top of it. This unfortunately does not look that good, so I am going to buy some black aqua seal. Put it right over. This is unfortunately a rip. Big rip at that. And the tools I use basically just a needle and some thread. Now when I sewed this on, I did it under with no tension on the soft top. That way you can pull the fabric close together and get it nice and tight. That way whenever the soft top closes, it should pull it together even tighter when it's under tension. Well guys, these are what I got to use to patch the S2000 Top. Now the thing is, eventually it will need to be replaced, but those tops range anywhere from $400 to $500 to $1,000 to even more than $1,000 if you are going OEM. And I found these at Walmart. And guys, the cost for the top is, disregard the turkey sandwich, but the Sharpies that we're gonna that I might use to color the top of the ugly patch job. And then the needles, only $1.27. Floss, which was the thread, 53 cents, and we have a 30-piece brush set, which is $1.50. And that is going to be used, this right here, $1.50, will be used to spread the black aqua seal whenever I get it in. And we'll show that process as well so that you don't make the same mistake as me. I kind of over flooded the aqua seal, and I'll give you a few tips on it as well.